I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Plantation Prime. Plantation Prime is a boutique manufacturer and canning facility of Filipino comfort food, as embodied by the flagship product, the beef Shank Kare-Kare, and the other variant, ang Longganiza. So yes guys, ang atong favorite Filipino food is now ready to eat and long-lasting because it is already canned. Because Plantation Prime really aims to make these classic dishes readily available to the working consumers. And so for that, so ayan nagyudayon na to guys. And para more hassle-free pagyud kanidi ang bok choy og eggplant plus dahipon para makomplete yung kare-kare. Together with the Plantation Prime, these are available at Cloud Cart. Grabe good kare siya flavor. Authentic yun siya nga kare-kare. So who would have thought, kagika na yun tawdi siya sa lata. And of course, wala po kunwari o mga untak kuyog ang rice. O guys, aside di ay sa Cloud Cart, Plantation Prime is also available sa tanang branches sa Metro Gaisano Supermarket, the Marketplace, Robinson Supermarket, and Fooda Savers Mart in Cebu. And guess what? They're also available sa tanang Metro Supermarket sa Luzon o sa Visayas o sa Alturas Supermarket sa Bohol o ubang groceries sa Mindanao. But guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!